That all the way through the weekend, but we do have some changes on the way. A lot to talk about, so let's get to it. We do have a couple spotty showers, mostly offshore, and you know what? Whenever we do have the onshore wind, especially even this time of the year, we can still see one or two kind of just wiggle their way to the coast. But most of us will stay nice and dry today. In fact, we have a lot of dry air in place all throughout the southern half there of the state, and this is going to keep things very stable as we head throughout the next couple of days. Do have a breeze coming in from the southeast and winds gusting into the 20s. We're going to have the occasional gusts ranging in the mid-20s throughout the day today. Windy for your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we're talking winds gusting anywhere between 25 even up to 30 miles per hour. So definitely plan for that in the upcoming days through the weekend. It's going to really kick up our seas offshore. We're going to see wave heights up to 5 to 6 feet in the upcoming days as well. Small craft advisory going into effect for our water starting tonight, lasting over the next couple of days. And with that, also the strong onshore wind, we are looking at a heightened rip current risk through our coastal areas. So just be on the lookout if you have any plans to head out to the beaches. Always make sure you are swimming near a lifeguard. Seas today ranging from 2 to 5 feet offshore, and we have a light chop there in the intracoastal. Winds gusting into the mid-20s at times through the day today. High tide happening right now for this lunch hour. Second low tide, that'll be right around 6 o'clock this evening. So big weather system that we just mentioned right here. But it's not our weather system. Ours will kind of just come off there of the Rockies. We'll see that approaching as we get closer into the next work week. So next Monday and Tuesday will be our best chances to see rain making a return. But for now, the scenes will look very nice, kind of like what we have going on. Dry, quiet, but also very warm. Look at that feels like temperature, 90 degrees through South Florida. Onshore wind, 17 miles per hour. So windy through the evening, through tonight, through tomorrow over the next couple days. It's going to keep our temperatures through the overnight hours much warmer than average, but at least for this afternoon, we'll see temperatures peaking in the mid-80s for today. So that warm streak does continue for the afternoons. We definitely felt it last couple days as well. So as we fast forward, again, stray showers too still can't be rolled out along the coast, but we stay mostly dry and quiet as we head throughout the remainder of this work week there. So upper 80s, warm, humid, windy at times throughout the day today, even hotter near Lake Okeechobee, where temperatures will be pressing near the 90s. So tonight we stay on the breezy side, and that's going to keep our coastal areas in the mid to lower 70s. So it'll feel a little bit more like summertime than spring, where we should be waking up into the 60s. So you'll feel it in the morning, you'll feel it in the afternoon. But again, with that breeze and moving air, if you're going to be outdoors, just make sure you are staying hydrated. So stray shower too for your Wednesday, Thursday, especially along the coastal areas. Everywhere else still looking very beautiful. And then we have a lot of sunshine, dry conditions Friday through your weekend. But then our next weather system starts to approach the area by Monday, giving us a couple spotty showers. Temperatures, hottest day of the year so far in the 90s. Then big drop off Tuesday with scattered rain.